So I have filmed a video this week. Well, I filmed actually multiple videos this week, and there are a whole bunch of different clips of just stuff that me and Kai did throughout the week of like getting ready for Christmas and, you know, leading up to like Christmas Day. When you guys start to watch this video, you're gonna see a video from like the 20th to the 25th. I wasn't really trying to do like Vlogmas or whatever, but I was kind of trying to stay up to date with my videos for this month. So let's just get right on ahead and get on to the video. Did you get my water?
No.
Are you gonna get me my water?
No.
Why not? I'm thirsty. You don't want to go down there and get me a water?
I'm doing
What are you doing?
I'm doing my blocks.
Good morning, guys. I used to be really good at this stuff, like good at the intros and everything, and like now I'm just kind of like, the reason why I'm down here is because I don't know if you guys can see me or not. You know, I got the old school camera, so you know I don't have the new up-to-date ones where you can flip and be able to see what you're doing, and you know, is it the viewfinder or no? Is it called the focuser? No, the focuser. So as you can tell, I'm in a lot better mood. So that's good. But I'm going Christmas shopping today, and I'm going to get Kai a couple presents, and then I'm taking him to go see Santa Claus today, so we'll see how that plays out. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get ready. I already got my leggings on, you know. I'm just going to wear leggings and a sweater and my Vans and put my hair in a bun, and you know, hashtag mom life. I have on last night's makeup. What are you doing?
Me,
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. She's looking for you too. Let's begin with the party. Everybody's looking for Blue's Clues. Come on and Kai seriously wore me out. But yeah, so I just ordered pizza and I'm just waiting for it to get here. My grandma's supposed to be bringing back some fried chicken from this place in Portland, so I'm like really excited. Today's just kind of been a chill day. Me and him just been playing. I've been hanging out with him and stuff, and like, I don't know, I've been feeling really good. Like I said, I've been doing a lot better through the breakup and the miscarriage. The pain is like still there, but it doesn't hurt as bad. And about the baby, you know, I really still do miss the baby. Like, my kid just passed gas. Oh my gosh! You cochino! Good morning, guys, and Merry Christmas Eve! So it's been a couple days since I vlogged, but I have work today from like 1:30 to 7, and then to come home and wrap up presents because I haven't had a chance to wrap them up yet. Last night I was trying to wrap them up, and Kai just kept like being nosy because he knew I went and got him presents, so he kept trying to come upstairs and see like what I got him and stuff. So it's cold, it's raining outside, and you know, that's just Washington weather for you. Say good morning.
Good morning.
What are you doing?
I'm getting some candy for Papa.
What kind of candy?
Some baby stripes. Mr. White here looking at me?
Yeah, I'm looking at you while you're standing on the clean clothes, well, clean blankets. Right there. Right underneath there. Wrap some more of these up for him. Are you excited for Christmas?
for Christmas coming, and the Christmas gonna bring some toys.
Yeah. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
I'm excited. Like, we didn't really meet Santa this year because he was really scared of him, but we'll try it again next year. I'm not gonna make him see somebody that he's like super scared of. So yeah, but yeah, I have work today. I don't get up till 7. I was gonna see if I could try and pick up a couple more things, just depending on how everything goes tonight, but we'll see. And yeah, I haven't had a chance to work out yet though, but that's coming. You're enjoying that chocolate milk?
I'm enjoying that chocolate milk. It's good.
Yeah. Look at your hair.
It's so wet.
No, it's so nice. Nice and short.
It's so nice and short. I took a bath last night.
Yeah, you took a bath last night. Did you wash your hair last night?
Yeah, I do.
Oh.
I did. I did wash my hair off.
You got a tractor? Oh my gosh. Open everything up. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, can you believe Santa left you that? Here, open these. Open this. Merry Christmas, good. Yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh.
Just walking.
Yeah.
Oh,
Really? Yeah. So,
with one top?
no, there's multiple tops on.
Really?
Oh my gosh, you got some more clothes?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I was actually able to make him have a Christmas, and so yeah, I kicked ass on that, you know, single mom here working my butt off to make sure my baby had a freaking Christmas. I actually just really wanted to, you know, edit it and make some memories. It's like his first Christmas that he got to open presents and like not be on the sidelines. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.